Welcome to our channel. Today we how to access IHSS Timesheet Portal dashboard login instructions step by step clearly. To access the IHSS Timesheet Portal dashboard, start by opening a web browser on your device. Type the official IHSS Timesheet Portal URL in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the portal's homepage. On the homepage, locate the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see the login form asking for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. Make sure to check that both entries are correct to avoid login errors. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your account. Wait a moment for the system to authenticate your details. Once logged in, you should be redirected to the IHSS Timesheet Portal dashboard. From the dashboard, you can view and manage your timesheets. Explore the various features available, including submitting timesheets and checking payment statuses. If you encounter any issues during the login process, look for the Help or Contact Support option for assistance. Make sure to log out of your account when you are finished to protect your information. Your secure access to the IHSS Timesheet Portal is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.